Well, the sniper circles are setting out to be as hot as the weather at the moment. It's been a really good week so far, about sort of 350 points so far for the week. So really, really good start to the week. We're now sort of at the tail end of Wednesday's session. Another 140 points today from, I don't know, about sort of 15, 20 trades or so today. I'm just going to go through the trade of the day today, which is for sterling dollar. We've had a number of trades today. We had 3 sterling dollar trades today, all of which hitting their 20-point first targets very nicely. Just going to use something called playback in a second, just so you can see and visualize the indicators moving in a sped up but quasi live environment. But for now, here was the entry here at 9 o'clock. Now I had the interest rate voting data come out at 9:30. So really, if you're going to get in here, you need to be looking to take profits quickly. 20 points, remember, we're looking for. There's the entry at 151.05. So 9 o'clock, there's your entry. Vector average, this green, the red line to green is turned here. Sniper circle, trend signal changing color as well. So these indicators turning direction to give us that entry. 151.05 is the entry, 20 points at 151.25 the target. First bar moved really well, moved 10 points immediately. Next bar hit that 25. So come 9:30, target done, 20 points hit. Remember, 20 point, £10 a point. That's 200 quid there, could have been taken. If you're spread betting, if you're fortunate enough to be in the UK, then that's a tax-free thing as well. From there, of course, the market just rallied stupidly, really, after that data came out. Unexpected release in terms of the way the votes were done over quantitative easing. But certainly, the market then settled down a little bit until we get to where we are here. I'm going to start to activate something called playback now, just so we can cycle through those indicators as those trades came to pass. Now, what you're looking for with trend signal is those indicators to change color and the indicators to turn from red to green, or indeed green to red there. So there's a new bar just formed there. Really what we're looking for, we're just going to wait for this trend signal line to turn from green to red, this vector average to turn from green to red as well. I'm just going to put on mute now for a second, just so you can watch these indicators move. This is sped up. This is a 15-minute chart, so we're speeding it up quite dramatically, but we're going to get into that trade in a second, okay? I'm recording. Okay, so we're starting to see those indicators just update a little bit. Price is still tracking above our little price envelope, just waiting for those indicators just to rotate back down again. So we're out of the top of its natural trading range. Now what we're looking for is those indicators to turn from green to red. Trend signal now is starting to change over. We're starting to see that negative sentiment looking to come into the market. Vector average here looking to change direction as well. So we're going to wait for the end of this candlestick. If it closes out like this, red and red here, we get the little sniper circle appear, then we're going to go. There's the sniper, there's our entry, close of this bar, 152.19. Now we're going to go for 20 points again. We need it to track just below 152.00 to take our profits. It's going to be a quick one, this one. It's accelerated very nicely. Data at 1:30, you've got to be quick. There's target. Data comes out. Bang, up she goes. But 20 points done. If you had your target in, you're out. You've taken your profits. Fantastic. Now let's move on and let's just wait for that next opportunity, because, of course, data came out at 1:30 in the US there. Markets accelerated drastically on sterling against the US dollar there. So we're just waiting for that then to flip back round again to give us that next opportunity. So 2 trades down. First trade at 9 o'clock UK time. Second trade at 1:15 UK time. both of which hitting target, both of which hitting that 20-point target before data coming in place as well. So really nice moves. Yeah, sure, you've got to be quick, but you know, if you're in front of your screen, if you're day trading, you're going to be in those trades as well. So other trades, you have a lot more time to react. These trades have been very, very quick today. So at the moment, we're just waiting for that next potential entry there. So next potential change in direction from green back to red again. Just wait a couple more bars. I'm just going to come off mute again now. Okay, it's getting quite close to trade time now. So 3 o'clock. Trend signal's now red, sorry. Vector average now waiting for it to return from green to red. We've got the sniper circle there as well. Close of this bar, we're going to go. Just got to get your pencil sharpened, that's all. And there's the entry. See that? Sniper circle visualizing that change in sentiment. Got a bit of time on this one. You had at least sort of 15 minutes, half an hour on this trade to get into it. But your entry there, 150.217. Quick 20 points there. Down to about here we're looking for. Didn't quite do it on the first bar. Not quite on the second bar. But third bar sides through it in a pretty dramatic fashion, as we'll see in a minute there. So 3 trades. 3 snipers. 3 winners. 3 lots of 20 points. You're doing that at £10 a point each clip, and that's at 600 quid there, isn't it? Just from taking each of those trades. And none of those were in for longer than an hour. That's quite quick, to be honest with you. A lot of trades tend to take a little bit longer than that, but you know, pretty good, pretty quick trades there, all of which going on and hitting target very nicely. The good news is that it isn't that complicated. It's just about looking for that color change and spotting the timing for those trades.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.